Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your Discord checkpoint and explore your personal Discord recap. Whether you're curious about your activity stats, your favorite servers, or you simply want to relive your Discord moments from the year, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know in a clear and easy way. First, open Discord on your desktop or web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside Discord, look around the main interface for a small flag icon. It usually appears near the top area and is hard to miss when the checkpoint feature is live. Go ahead and click on that flag, then select the option labeled checkpoint. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any of the interactive details. Next, once the Discord checkpoint page opens, you'll see a recap style experience showing your activity for the year. This includes things like how many messages you sent, total emojis used, hours spent in voice chat, favorite servers, and even your Discord squad. You can move through each screen at your own pace, and if the sound is distracting, you can easily turn the volume off right from the interface. Follow the on-screen prompts as they appear. Everything is designed to be fun, visual, and super easy to navigate. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Discord app is updated to the latest version, check that the checkpoint feature is currently available in your region, and ensure you're logged into the correct account. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent the feature from not showing up properly. Once you've viewed all the recap screens, continue through the experience until you reach the reward section. After that, you should be able to claim your checkpoint decoration or badge without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to take screenshots or share your stats with friends if you want. It's a fun way to compare activity and memories together. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to view your Discord checkpoint and enjoy your yearly recap easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be looking for their checkpoint too. Why not make someone's day easier?